In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Photoroom AI photo editor app. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications from this app or alerts from this app, then you can put an end to this permanently. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to get started, there are quite a number of steps you can take. And of important, we need to go ahead and access the app information page. To do so, go to settings. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Tap on it and you'll see this option called manage apps. It might be written all apps on your smartphone. It depends on the Android version you are using. From this, all the apps installed on your smartphone will be listed, and scroll until you find Photoroom. And you can see my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search the app here by its name and then tap on it to open, and we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our settings. However, if you can't get to this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get there. For this, go back to your app, and once you find it, just long press on it and you'll see app info, and then this will take you to the same app info page. From here, look for the section called permissions, and under permissions, go to notifications. Currently, you can see they are turned to yes, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications or alerts. Now, to turn them off, instead of toggling off one by one here, just go ahead and turn off or toggle off show notifications here, and all the other types of notifications will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notification from Photoroom app. So that's how you can turn off Photoroom app pop-up notifications permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.